In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and apply sales tax to a FreshBooks invoice. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Invoices. This is where you can create and manage all of your customer invoices, so it's the right place to set up tax on the invoice you want to send. Next, either create a brand new invoice or open an existing invoice in edit mode. If you're making a new invoice, just begin filling it out as usual. If you're updating one that already exists, make sure you're editing it so you can make changes before saving or sending it. After that, add your client information and include at least one line item on the invoice. This part is important because the tax option appears in relation to the item you're billing for. Enter the product or service, the rate, and any other details you normally include so the invoice is ready for tax to be applied correctly. Once you have a line item added, look below the item's rate and click Add Taxes. This will open the Add Taxes window, where you can enter the tax details you want. FreshBooks to calculate on the invoice. In that window, start by entering the tax rate. This should be the sales tax percentage you need to charge. Then enter the tax name. You can use the name that matches your local tax type, such as GST, VAT, or sales tax, depending on your region and business setup. If applicable, you can also enter a tax number. This field is optional, so if you don't need it, you can leave it blank. If you need to apply more than one tax, click plus. Add another tax and repeat the same process for each additional tax. This is useful if your invoice requires multiple tax rates or separate tax types. Just make sure each one is entered accurately so the total is calculated correctly. When everything looks good, click Apply Taxes. FreshBooks will then add the selected tax or taxes to the invoice automatically. Take a moment to review the updated tax amount on the invoice. It's always a good idea to double-check that the percentage, tax name, and total amount look correct before finalizing anything. Once you're satisfied, click Save or Send to, depending on whether you want to save the invoice for later or send it right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up and applied sales tax to your FreshBooks invoice.